Hello everybody, this is Taverchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to download Elementor Hello template theme to your WordPress for free. So first of all, in order to be able to download the Hello Elementor theme to your WordPress site, you have to log into your admin in WordPress, and then on the dashboard, as you can see right here, you have the menu. Go down to Appearance below and Themes. Click on that tab. Now it will send you to see all of the themes that you already have downloaded to your website. As you can see, I already have this Hello Elementor theme and the 2024 WordPress default theme, and also a child theme I've created for Hello Elementor theme. Now, I will show you on different guides how to create a child theme in order to not delete the code that you have already updated in the theme when you update it. But if you want to add the Hello Elementor, if it's not appearing, of course, if you didn't done it yet, just go add a new theme button, click on that right here, and search right here for the Hello Elementor theme. You will see it on the first place, as you can see right here, and I've already have it installed. Just click on install and then activate it. Now, I don't need to activate it because I already have a child theme from that, which is the same. And when you have done that, after you've clicked on install and activate it, you will have the Hello Elementor theme implemented in your WordPress site. And why choosing this theme? Exactly because when it works with Elementor, it's the simplest and the best and fastest theme you can use for WordPress without any additional functions or designs. And you will only create it on the blank templates using Elementor Pro or Elementor. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to download the Elementor Hello theme to your WordPress site. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.